Cats. Who's your pretty kitty? Aw, kitty. Oh, there she is. What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna head over to Imperial. What I wanna do is, I wanna fix this splitter. Nothing's wrong with it, but something's wrong with it. What I wanna do is I'm gonna cut these off right here, probably like right around here, and I'm gonna put fins. And I'm gonna do that on both sides. I don't know, it looks good right now, but I feel like this protrudes out too much. I think I wanna make it more flush with the tire. So, you know, probably like right here. And yeah, just put fins straight up, and I think that'll look really clean. Instead of painting the fins, what I think I'm gonna do is, you know, I have a bunch of Illuminite left over. Not enough to make a whole nother splitter, but enough to do some more cosmetic mods to it, without making it ricey, of course. I have a whole sheet right there that I can use to make splitters, that I can use to make side skirts on both sides, but we'll save that for another day. First, what I wanna do, I'm gonna take just that white piece over there to Imperial. We're gonna cut fins out, make sure they're both even on both sides, and then bolt them up. I think instead of painting, I'm gonna plasti dip them. That way it's faster, it dries faster. So I got these clamps. I'm just gonna pretty much, they're 3 holes. This side, 3 on the bottom. I said it's where the fin's probably gonna be on top of this still, but it's gonna be just a standard L clamp going right here. Should be fairly simple, but Imperial's helping me out because I don't have a saw and a couple other tools that I need. So, they're being awesome, helping me out. But enough talk, let's get over there, let's go do this. So we just got to Imperial and they have a full house today, look at this. Okay, so here's my car. They have this, and they are just stacked on a good amount of exotics. Obviously not the Chrysler, but they have this Ferrari here, GTR, another GTR, old Maserati, a 512. That was pretty cool to see. Peppermonte. 430 Scud. Apparently a lot of these guys just came from rally and there was just a crap load of rock chips and damage, and yeah, they all came here right after it, so Imperial's got a lot of business right now. It's dope. Okay, so the plan is I'm gonna measure out where I need to cut here on the other side, and yeah, I'm gonna hesitantly cut. Yeah, I'm kind of spooked too. That's where I'm gonna cut. You think I should just use those 2 pieces? I don't know why I didn't think of that. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. That makes shit a lot simpler. And it's already painted and everything. I mean, goddamn. All right, so here are the tools that I'm gonna be using. I'm going to be using this guy to guide me along the way of that. And I'm also gonna be using some masking tape to mask that off, just so I have a clear line, and yeah, just so I don't really go outside of it and stuff doesn't go anywhere. You see, I kind of messed up here in the beginning. I just was kind of nervous, but other than that, that is gonna look so great like that. Man, that is perfect. So Butch saw my work and he was not having it. So he saw here immediately, you can even tell on camera that I didn't cut it straight. And you know, for first time cut, it wasn't too bad. I don't normally do this, but he said no, I'm gonna do it right. So he's gonna cut this straight. And then what he wants to do, originally I had it to where I was gonna stack it on top right here. He said, no, bad idea. He's gonna cut me out. I brought some extra material with me. So we're gonna make a similar mold, like kind of like how he has on a Squadra Corsa. He told me, look at my wing. He says he wants to make something like this. He wants to cut something out in this angle, except he wants to flip it. So this will be the bottom, this will be the top. He wants to cut it out just like this and put it on the side of my wing. He wants to then bolt a couple bolts in on the side. I don't know how he's gonna do it, but you know, he's good at this shit, so he can help me out with that. So he wants to take a piece like this and put it on there. Make this straight, put that piece on there like this, drill into here, and then once we have that new piece, paint it. We're gonna put some epoxy on the top, make it look really clean, really flush, and then yeah, do that on both sides.
Where it doesn't move anywhere. Can you really hold it to where it doesn't move anywhere? Okay, right? Ah, you moved it!
Damn it, Gabe.
Okay, we can't move this. How about this? Whoever moves
just push it, just push really hard.
Whoever moves it is gay. Deal?
Deal.
Lauren, you're gonna make me gay in a minute.
Oh shit.
Whoever moves this is gay. Oh, you're about to move it.
Now move it, Gabe.
Gabe, don't move it. I'm trying not to move it. I know I'm straight as fuck. Don't move it, Gabe. Gabe, you moved it. You like dick, boy? On the road.
You're just gonna do it freehand like that?
I can do freehand. I can do anything you like. Only skilled people can do this.
That technique, I'm skilled in the proficiency of video. Butch is skilled in the proficiency of hard, useful hand craftsmanship. Look at that. Ow, skill with the knife, man. Let's just put the cardboard on.
So again, we're gonna do it smaller. It's just a bigger version.
Okay.
Because you're small.
That gonna hit the wheel?
No, we're gonna do a smaller version.
Okay, so it'll be like right there. Okay.
Yeah. So let me go ahead and make it smaller. Make it a little bit more smaller so it's going this way. So I like the height of it. It's like that.
Yeah. Oh shoot, alright, that looks clean.
Is this straight?
This is, yeah.
What about the other side too?
Yeah, they look straight. Very nice. Okay. Bravo. Hey, what are you doing? You're madman. Oh, that's gonna look dope. Sweet. Damn. I thought he was going to clamp it down at some point. No? Hold it on me. That'll do. Sweet. That fits pretty perfectly. Goddamn. Good shit, Butch. Right now, Butch is cutting off a little more. We're gonna angle it just a little bit. So, and this is what we had. He didn't think it was straight, and whenever I stepped kind of back, I could kind of see it. So, cut it as straight as possible, but angled just a little bit. Butch went ahead and picked out some of these. We're using 1 5/8 screws. That's gonna go. That's what's gonna go into the splitter. Holy shit, that worked. Oh, that looks so good. Damn. Damn, that looks so dope. I love the way this looks. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take these off. We're gonna wrap them in black real fast. Drill them back on, we'll be good to go. All right, so we just finished up and look at this. It looks so good. So this is just some temporary paint that we have on it right now. I'm gonna eventually get it the same gloss as this. We just didn't have time for it today. But it's that on both sides. It looks so mean. I absolutely love it. Great idea. Look at that. That's so dope. I absolutely love it. I want to give a big shout out to Imperial Collision and Butch, who helped me just really do all of this. I mean, I can probably take credit for maybe like 5% of the work, because I kind of was showing Butch what I was gonna do. I made the first couple cuts and he was like, no, we're doing it my way. It'll look better like this. Look, I'm gonna take this off my Lamborghini, and boom, we did it his way. Really, I can't thank him enough. I'm gonna put his logo right here and his website link down below. They have like a 5-star rating from like 100 or 200 different reviews. They're an outstanding body shop, as you can see. They do a lot of exotics. They also do anything, they also do your Toyota Corolla, whatever it may be. They do outstanding work, whether it's from a simple fender mender that you had, or custom fabricating of a body kit, or making different parts of your body kit. So although this was not like a sponsored video, I'm just giving a huge shout out to Butch for all of his help, his expertise, and just being an overall awesome guy. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be all for today. I think I'm gonna put a little edit at the end, maybe. But yeah, I really love the little side wings that we added. I think next what we're gonna do is we're gonna play with the fenders, or we're gonna add some side skirts. But anyways, guys, until next time, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.